This is the Pelican case. There are 4 snaps, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Do watch your fingers. They are quite tough. Snap them up. Inside you will find a couple of things. You have the monitor, the wireless camera, the battery pack for the camera, the hip pack for the monitor. You also have wall chargers for the small batteries and the large batteries. You have a car charger for the small batteries. You will definitely need this. Always keep that with you. A Ziploc bag with 5 of the small batteries. Make sure you try to use them in order just for convenience. Putting this together is pretty simple. You have 4 screws on the small battery. The screws will not come out, so you can't lose them. So you can unscrew to your heart's desire. Grab a battery out of the bag. We're going to start with number 1. And what you'll notice is that there are 2 prongs inside and a little peg. You'll rotate the plug until it fits properly and then place the battery inside as best as it will fit. There is a red light here and a hole for the light there. Line them up and reattach. Make sure they're nice and snug, not too tight. And the first thing I always recommend is to plug everything in and make sure that it works. There's nothing like going out into the field and your equipment not work. The cigarette lighter plug here has a light on it. This will turn on. Then you plug the camera into the battery pack here. I have a bubble wrap tape and paper towel because this part of the camera will get very sticky. So plug that in, turn that on. This light will not turn on unless it is dead. Flip that switch on. You should see a couple of lights that flickered on. And then the lights on the camera will turn on, and on the monitor it will show something on the screen. Turn everything off, unplug this, and now we're going to attach to the pole. Attaching to the pole is pretty easy. Slide everything out until you get that center piece. It should have the number 6 feet on it. You'll notice that it's kind of an L shape here. This lines up with the shape on this. There are 2 screws. Unscrew them. There are 2 washers. Careful, they will fall. And you should have it fit quite nice. So here, reattach the large screw. You can double rotate, single rotate, whatever your heart's desire. Now I normally attach this equipment with the pole laying parallel to the ground just so that the camera can lay parallel. You can do this standing up, whichever way works. These 2 screws on the small battery, they will unscrew completely, and there are 2 rubber washers on the inside. They're easy to lose, so do be careful. And then you're just going to set them around the top part of that pole and screw them in. The screws are offset, one is longer than the other. And then you want to place this battery pack someplace convenient. Sometimes it gets in the way of the screws, so whatever works. Get it nice and tight. From here, I'll stand the pole up. I'm quite tall, so I normally place the monitor where I can see fit, normally higher than most others. So just place this carefully on the pole where you can see the monitor